You got the job. You expect to get paid. Now, this one form decides how much money actually hits your paycheck. Hey y'all, it's me, CrysTeen. Y'all know I always give you real life, real skills, real talk.
So let's talk about how to fill out a W-4 without the confusion. When you start a job, your employer gives you paperwork. One of those forms is the W-4. The W-4 tells your employer how much federal tax to take out of your paycheck. This isn't about taxes later. This affects how much money you take home right now. You fill out a W-4. You receive a W-2.
Let me say that again. You fill out a W-4. You receive a W-2.
This form is usually handed to you quickly. Nobody really explains it, and people worry about filling it out wrong. But this form isn't about being perfect. It's about being informed. The choices you make on your W-4 affect every paycheck. If more tax is taken out, your paycheck is smaller, but you may get a refund later. If less tax is taken out, your paycheck is bigger, but you may owe money later. There's no best choice. There's only what works for you and your situation. If this is your first job, here's what matters most. You're allowed to ask questions. You're allowed to change this form later. Nothing you choose here is permanent.
If this felt confusing before, that's normal. A lot of people were never taught this. Now you know what the form does and why it matters. The W-4 sets your pay now. The W-2 is a form you'll receive later that summarizes what you've earned and what was taken out throughout the year. If this helped you, leave a comment and let me know. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's next. This is real life, real skills, real talk. Now that you understand the W-4 and how it affects your paycheck, the next thing you should understand is the employee handbook. There are rules in the employee handbook to protect you and rules that you're expected to follow. That's where we're headed next on CrysTeen.